Did you know? A healthy African gray parrot can live up to 50 years. But how do you know if yours is truly healthy? First, check their feathers. A healthy parrot has smooth, clean, and shiny feathers. Look into their eyes. Bright, clear eyes with no discharge mean your parrot is feeling great. A healthy parrot eats well. Fresh fruits, veggies, and pellets keep them energetic and thriving. They love to talk. A healthy African gray will whistle, mimic, and engage with you daily. Like, follow, and share if you love parrots.